How do I sign up for Fresh Clothes? We have designed the sign-up process to be as easy as possible for Fresh Clothes laundry service. The website and the application we've created for customers to use, which is also soon to be a mobile app in the Apple and the Google Play Store, makes this very streamlined and easy. We need to collect some information from you, obviously, to provide a laundry service. We need to know your email, phone number, name, service address. And based on the service address, we'll contact you to confirm your laundry day. Many customers may have maybe a couple options of days. So could be Monday, could be Thursday, and we'll let you choose between those two. But our software will automatically assign you a day, which typically works best for customers, but we can also sometimes provide alternatives. So we hope it's easy for you to sign up, and we look forward to meeting you and getting you started on your laundry service.